Welcome. My name is Carl DeMaz. I'm with Panasonic. I'd like to welcome you here to the AW-UE50 event here in Dallas, Texas. We'd like to talk a little bit about some of the new products that we have out there on the market today. One of the new products that we're showing here, or fairly new, is the Panasonic PTZ camera, the AW-UE50. The UE50 series is a mid-range PTZ camera that fills pretty much any need that you would have for video conferencing, production video, well, not necessarily production video, but near production video with the 4K resolution. Panasonic's also this month introducing a new model, which will be the UE160 PTZ camera. That's a very high-end live production unit. Panasonic's an expert in this area. We talk about being acquisition company. If you're going live events, live stage on, let's say, production type environments, which include house of worship, and also for live events like your rock concerts, you want to capture those videos, you have the UE160. It actually eliminates some of the moire effect that nobody else really has addressed in the market today. Moire being when you see an LED live on camera, you're going to get video banding. We take all that out of it for you. You don't have to touch it, we'll do that. So again, a little bit of expertise in the space. Another product that we'd like to talk about is our new projector series. This is the REQ series projectors. It comes in a 12,000 lumen, 10,000 lumen, and 8,000 lumen version. It is native 4K. We do some really interesting technology in there with what we call our wobbling effect. It actually eliminates a lot of the screen door that you would see on the projected image because we will wobble our native 1920 by 1080 chip around to give you a full 4K image. As you can tell by looking at the screen, the color reproduction there is spectacular. We do some of the most fantastic reds you've ever seen out of a one-chip DLP available. It would actually put it up side by side with some of the other 3-chip technologies out there for image quality. So this is going to be a huge hit. One other item we want to talk about, not on display here today, is going to be the new CMZ50 series projector. This is kind of the other end. This is a 5,000 lumen ultra short throw product. Goes into that huddle space I was talking about before, so literally the projector will mount against the wall, give you an 80-inch image, you back it off a couple inches, it'll give you a 100-inch image, back it off a couple inches more to give you a 120-inch image. Oh, by the way, we give you the mount that with the settings preset up on it, so that when you hang it, you know what size screen you're going to go to. It's got instant, I wouldn't say instant setup, but very quick setup features for it for autofocus, auto balancing of that projector. So we got some pretty cool products coming. So thank you very much for your support. If you would like more information, you can visit us at the Panasonic.com website or visit your local Almo rep in the Almo website for more information. Thank you.